Watch this joint closely. This is where real welding skill shows up. Right here, I'm working on a tight metal joint where precision matters more than speed. The alignment has to be perfect, because even a small mistake can weaken the entire structure. I start by controlling the arc carefully, keeping a steady hand and consistent travel speed. You'll notice how the weld bead forms clean and even. That's the result of proper heat control and electrode angle. This type of weld isn't about rushing. It's about patience, focus, and understanding how the metal reacts under heat. Look at the penetration along the joint. That tells you the weld isn't just sitting on top. It's bonding deep inside the steel, creating real strength. This technique is commonly used in fabrication, construction, and industrial repair work across the U.S. When safety and durability matter, this kind of weld makes the difference. One key detail many beginners miss is rod positioning. Keeping the electrode at the right angle helps avoid undercut and slag inclusion. You can also see how I pause slightly at the edges. That ensures proper fusion on both sides of the joint. Clean welds like this don't happen by luck. They come from practice, discipline, and respect for the craft. If you're learning welding, focus on control before speed. Master the basics, and your welds will speak for themselves. This is more than metal work. This is skill, experience, and pride in every bead.